Hello friends, and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I'm going to tell you the basics of the inside bar pattern, and that also comes with a trading strategy. Please note that none of these strategies work 100% of the time. Okay, so you want to make your own decisions and maybe use other indicators with it for confirmation if you want to. And by the way, I'm going to give you this pattern, but if you want help putting together a trading or investing plan, because you really should have a plan, otherwise you don't know where you're going and what you're doing, you can email me for coaching at davidmodell@gmail.com. All right, so this is the inside bar pattern. It is a 2 candlestick pattern in which the second of the 2 candlesticks is contained within the first candlestick. And that includes, when I say contained within, that includes the wicks or shadows. And so the first or bigger candlestick is sometimes called the mother bar, while the second or smaller candlestick is sometimes called the inside bar. So you see how when you include the wicks or shadows, the second candlestick, the smaller one, is contained entirely within the first one. All right, and so again, second one's contained within the first one, all right, or the inside bar is contained within the mother bar there, including the wicks or shadows. All right, and the colors of the 2 candlesticks are not as important as just the fact that the second one's contained within the first one. That's called the inside bar pattern. And if you know about the Harami, and I do have a video on that, yes, this is similar to the Harami 2 candlestick pattern. Though in my experience, the Harami tends to focus on the body only of the candlesticks, while the inside bar pattern tends to focus on both the body and the wicks, all right, or shadows. All right, so that's a main difference. Also, in my experience, the Harami pattern tends to focus on reversals. So the candlesticks are going down, 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 and then the Harami occurs, and then they might go up, up, up. Whereas the inside bar pattern tends to focus on continuations of the prevailing trend. And so you might have candlesticks going up, 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 and then a consolidation period, and with the inside bar pattern, and then it continues upwards, as opposed to the Harami, which tends to be more of a reversal pattern. All right. So you can view the inside bar pattern as a brief consolidation or pausing period before the prevailing trend continues in that same direction. So like I said, you could have candlesticks going up, 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 and then 2 candlesticks, an inside bar pattern going sideways, and then it continues upwards. And it could also be the opposite. Candles could be going down, 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 and then 2 sideways ones, the inside bar pattern, and then continues going down. So what's the strategy that you could use? And again, it does not work every time. All right, but to trade it, you can draw a horizontal resistance line at the top of the upper wick or shadow of the mother bar, the first of the 2 candlesticks. Then you can enter with a long position if a candlestick decisively, clearly closes above that resistance line with heavy volume. So you want to have some sort of volume indicator as well. And your stop loss can be at the bottom of the lower wick or shadow of the mother bar. All right, so here are a couple of examples. All right, and so you've got the prevailing trend, up, 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 and then you've got 2 candlesticks in a row. It just kind of takes a breather going sideways, but you have the second candlestick, including the wicks or shadows, contained entirely within the first one. All right, and you could draw a horizontal resistance line over here at the top, like I said, right? If you want to use this as a strategy, you can draw a horizontal resistance line at the top of the upper wick or shadow of the bigger one, the mother bar. Okay, and then the stop loss would be at the bottom of that same candle, the mother bar. All right, so like over here, you could have drawn a resistance line at the top of the wick or shadow of the mother bar, and then and that would, if it breaks through it, which it did here very decisively, and we don't have the volume down here, but if the volume was strong, which it probably would be for a candle this size, then you could take a long position and ride it all the way up. We have another example here, and the stop loss would be at the bottom Could be at the bottom of that that mother bar, as they call it, the first of the two candles. All right, put the support. That would be not just a support, but actually a stop loss there. Okay, and then we have another example here of the inside bar pattern. This one is contained entirely within this one, and it did work. It broke above it. Could have taken a long position. It came down, but it didn't go past the stop loss. If you made a stop loss at the bottom of this wick or shadow here of the first of the two candles, so it didn't hit the stop loss, and it kept going up, and that's good news. All right. Let's take a look at a real-life example here on TradingView.com. You can see it was going up gradually, okay, but then it took a breather, and this candle, including the wick, is contained entirely inside of this one. So you have the pattern here, the inside bar, and then it went up, and away. All right. It does not always work, but it could work like that. All right. So again, if you want some more help, if you want some coaching on this, I do offer that. It's davidmodell@gmail.com. You can email me for the coaching. And if you like this video, hey, do me a favor, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, and that lets me know that you want to see more videos with strategies and patterns like this one. And leave a comment if you want to let me know what you think of this pattern. Does it work? Have you tried it? Do you think it'll work? Hey, if you tried it, let me know. Even if you haven't tried it, let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why not do that right now? Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, the notification bell on YouTube. That way you can receive updates from YouTube whenever I put out videos like this one. Hey, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.